Morning, sir.
Then no more. Alright, spoil. For psychology experts, Group Captain AK Singh with us, who have been taking the classes of SLB at Moon Defense Academy. You know that after the written examination, very clearly written exam, you have to appear for the SLB, Service Selection Board. This is a 5-day procedure. One part is psychology. So today you got opportunity here with us, Group Captain AK Singh. He will basically deliver the lecture on motivation and for psychology for you. Okay, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Now I request Group Captain AK Singh sir to start the lecture. Welcome, sir.
Okay, morning, ladies and gentlemen, or I should say boys and girls. I will again repeat, good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, sir.
कोई मजा नहीं आया अभी भी मुझे। छोटे से माइक के साथ, I think आप लोग how many of you are there? Approximately 120 plus. और एक छोटे से माइक के साथ मेरी आवाज ज्यादा आ रही है। How is the जोश? अब आया थोड़ा सा मजा। Right? By introducing myself, I am Group Captain AK Singh. I am a retired Air Force officer. Do I look retired?
No, sir.
Yeah, I am actually retired. I retired in the month of April this year after putting in approximately 33 years of the commission service. I got commissioned in 1991 in the administration branch of Indian Air Force. Direct entry. Right? How many of you are aspiring for NDA? Great. Put your hands down. This energy should sustain. The endeavor of Moon Defense Academy is this energy, whatever I can see in all of you, should sustain this way. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the juice. That should sustain. And let me tell you, you are at that stage of your life, young. All of you are young, full of energy, vibrance. You understand? All are comfortable in Hindi or comfortable in English? Both?
Yes, sir.
So I'll keep it a mixture of Hindi and English to make everyone comfortable. Right?
Yes, sir.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I started my career in 1991 until 2024 I served. I retired in the month of April this year. And during this short course of 33 years, almost double of your age I have served. So I have done phenomenal things, different things during my course of the journey of 33 years. Right from initial stage when I was inducted into Indian Air Force, I served as an air traffic controller. Then I was in different aspects of looking after security in various Air Force stations, very important task. And other than that, various administrative posts, including Chief Administrative Officer, Assistant Provost Marshal, and there was a small thing in my mind, always working at the back of my mind. Something as a human being should continue ticking at the back of your mind. So at the back of my mind, there was something which is called teaching. So my father used to tell me कि एक दिन तू मास्टर जी बनेगा. Because I was very fond of teaching. I used to catch young boys and girls and teach them when I was myself young. So he said तू मास्टर जी बनेगा. And then when I got inducted into Air Force, I thought my master ji is gone. But that was not the right thing. The passion, I mean to say, I want to convey to all of you that the passion with which each one of us live in this world, the passion, if you start with this passion, the moment you get up in the morning, if you start with this passion and continue through your life following your passion and look for something which you love to do. You understand what I mean to say?
Yes,
If you look for something which you love to do and make it your profession, that is the most wonderful thing that can happen to us. If somebody loves flying, and he gets into the Air Force or the Armed Forces in the flying branch, what can be better for him or her? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So that's what I did in 2004. I precisely remember in 2004, I got myself onto the track of psychology. I did my psychology course from one very premier institute, government institute called Defense Institute of Psychological Research. And then I continued my journey. I served at almost all the Air Force selection boards, did 3 tenures as the head of the Department of Psychology, and the journey continues. Right? I served at number 4 Air Force Selection Board, Varanasi, for a long 4 years. And after that, I was in number 2 Air Force Selection Board, Mysore. There also, I was the head of the Department of Psychology. And now, I was recently available here as the head of the Department of Psychology at number 1 Air Force Selection Board, Dehradun. Right? My family, my wife belongs to this place. So I intended to settle down here. And whatever you intend to do in life happens. If you visualize things, things happen. I can tell you. If you visualize every day when you sleep in the night, you visualize for 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, that I am going to become an officer in the Indian Armed Forces. If you do it for 6 months, if you do it for 8 months, if you do it for 1 year, you will see that you are going in the right direction, and one day you will reach where you are supposed to reach, where you want to reach. Right? Power of visualization. So at this nascent stage, wherein you are all adolescents, vibrant, as I said, full of energy. So now this is the time actually to navigate yourself and whatever path you want to follow. Right? You understanding what I mean to say? तो यही टाइम है जब आप लोग अपने आप को नेविगेट कर सकते हो, चैनलाइज कर सकते हो. So channelize your, try and channelize your energy into the right direction. Go always into the right direction. Your parents are putting in their maximum efforts for looking after your education, looking after yourself, giving them your affection. Give them whatever is required to be given from your side to the parents. But yes, definitely, your profession, you only have to choose. You have chosen to be a part of the Doon Defense Academy, and they have been pioneers for the last more than 20 years. They have been into the system, channelizing the boys and girls. I will say channelizing the energy of the boys and girls to get successfully into the armed forces. Armed forces per se is not Air Force. I have my more of affinity towards Air Force because I've been into this service for the last 33 years. But that does not mean that Navy and Army is something lesser. So it is totally your choice. Before I say thank you and goodbye to all of you, my request to all of you is कि आप नींद से उठो और जाग जाओ. उत्तिष्ठ जागृता प्राप्य वरा ना निबोधता. किसने बोला था ये? उत्तिष्ठ जागृता प्राप्य वरा ना निबोधता. Swami Vivekananda बोला था. He said, what is the meaning of this? It is in Sanskrit that he had told. What is the meaning of this? Arise, awake, and wait not. Arise, awake, and wait not till the goal is achieved. Your aim is to get into the National Defense Academy. सोने से नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी में जाने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा. I can tell you, I can guarantee it. तो जो सो रहा है वो हिलो, अपने आप को हिलाओ ऐसे करके और अपनी नींद से जाग जाओ. So most of the things are covered, but these 4-5 lines before I leave, Kuniyal sir is desperately waiting for me. What is the motto of the Air Force? I will ask the last question. हिंदी में, संस्कृत में, नभ स्पर्शः दीप्तम. That is, touch the sky with glory, right? So related to that, there are 3-4 lines
which I remembered, so I jotted down. Ladies and gentlemen, जिंदगी जीने का मकसद कुछ खास होना चाहिए. It is applicable to all of you because you are aspiring for the national defense, joining the National Defense Academy. जिंदगी जीने का मकसद खास होना चाहिए, पर उसके लिए अपने आप पर विश्वास होना चाहिए. जिंदगी जीने का मकसद खास होना चाहिए, पर उसके लिए अपने आप पर विश्वास होना चाहिए. जीवन में खुशियों की कोई कमी नहीं है, पर जीने का अंदाज थोड़ा निराला होना चाहिए. ये थोड़ा सा दिमाग में अपने अगर रखोगे, एंड जोश only will not work. Hosh and Josh, when both these things get together, then only the things will work for you, right? Only Josh will not work. Only Hosh will not work. Josh has to be there, but then Josh and Hosh both have to be together. गिरते हैं शहसवार ही मैदान जंग में, गिरते हैं शहसवार ही मैदान जंग में, वो तिफल क्या गिरेंगे जो घुटनों के बल चलेंगे. So with these words, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that I have got some meaning to whatever I tried in the last around 1 hour 10 minutes. So it will be of some meaning to you. So please सोना बंद करो, number 1. उसके अलावा थोड़ा सा effort अपना ज़्यादा करो. Try and increase your effort. Start running. Because NDA, if you go there, you have to become a running machine. Then only you will do well in the National Defense Academy, right? Or for that matter, in any academy. In the IMA also, they make you run a lot, right? So from my side and from the side of Drone Defense Academy, I wish each and every one of you all the very best for your endeavor. Do well, and I want to see majority of those pictures which are reflected here. ये नंबर बढ़ना चाहिए. अगले 1-1.5-2 साल के अंदर ये पूरी दीवार भर जानी चाहिए. That's what is the basic aim, right?
Yes, sir.
So God bless you. Jai Hind. Thank you so much.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.